quality is bad, man. Hey, yo. Yo, it's 10 o'clock, man. My cousin's supposed to be calling, man. You know that nigga up north, son. Yeah, he alright, man. He be home in about another 2 years, man. Yeah. Yo, that's him right there. Hold up a minute, alright? I'm gonna get at you. Hold up. Yes. What's up, baby? Oh, word? Called earlier. I wasn't here, man. You know, thought you was gonna call it 10. Oh, alright. So what's good? Yeah, I mean, everybody good. The family good, man. What's up with you? You said you wanted some sneakers or something, right? Where we gonna get it from? Oh, Hermark Monopoly? So what I gotta go there? Oh, word? So all I gotta do is like send them a check of money order and they send it to you? Oh, that's what's up, man. That's what's up, man. Alright, yo, so, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna call them. And I can do everything over the phone? Alright, that's official company, man. How long this company been around? Oh, you just found out. Alright. Well, yo, man, a lot of people should know about this company, man. If you ain't gotta leave your house, man. That's what's up, man. And how fast are they service? 7 to 10 days. You'll get your stuff in 7 to 10 days? What? And they sell Air Forces? Without the air? Oh, this company's crazy. And cassettes. What? And yo, you got a catalog or something? They got catalogs? Yeah, yo, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call this company right now. Oh, well, alright. Well, I'm gonna call them in the morning. I'm gonna call them tomorrow, man. Give me the number. Give me the number. Yeah, I got a pen around here somewhere. Alright. What's the number? 347 968 7693. Alright, I'm gonna call Hermark Monopoly Ventures. Alright, I'm gonna call them tomorrow and get that together for you. Alright, yo, you know these collect codes is crazy, man, so I'm gonna call. I know your size and know everything. I'm gonna just all I gotta do is tell them everything, right? Alright, that's what's up. This company is official, yo. Alright, so yo, alright, well, call me tomorrow, man, so we can talk about some other stuff. I just wanted to get that info so I could get these sneakers off to you, you know what I mean? They sell boots too? Oh, man, yeah. Oh, the website? They got a website? What's the website? www.Hermark Monopoly Ventures.com. Alright. Oh, word, they got the MySpace too? Oh, that's what's up, man. What's the MySpace page? Monopoly Ventures? Just Monopoly Ventures? Alright. That's what's up. I'll just put it in search and I'll get it. Alright, yo. I'm gonna take care of that, man. Just call me tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? And and we get that popping. This company is official, man. I've been waiting so long. I know, yo, this is good for like old people too, man. They ain't gotta leave their house. Yeah, looking for it, and they know everything you can get. The company. All right, yo. I'm gonna get at you. I love you too, man. Keep your head up in there. One. Her Mark Monopoly Ventures, huh?